Hey guys, welcome back to this SQL tutorial series. In this session, we'll be working with the where clause to filter records. So the where clause is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specified condition. For example, we'd want to extract those records where the age of the person is more than 60. Or filter out those records where the occupation of the person is doctor. Now let's have a look at the syntax of where clause. So we'll start with the select keyword. Then we will give in the list of all of the columns which we want to select. Following which we'll use the from keyword and give the table name. And finally use the where keyword and follow it up with a condition that would determine which records are to be extracted. So let's filter out some records from our employee table. Now let's say we'd want to find out all of the female employees of our company. So for this, I'd have to extract those records where the gender equals female. So let me go ahead and write the command for that. So that would be select star from, I will give in the table name which is employee, and then I will use the where keyword and follow it up with the condition. So the condition would be E gender is equal to female. Right, so what I'm basically doing is I am extracting all of the female employees from this employee table. Let me hit execute. Right, so Anne and Julia are the only female employees. Now I'd want to find out those employees whose age is less than 30. So let me write the command for that. Select star from employee where I will give in the condition. So this time the condition would be E age is less than 30. Right, so the age needs to be less than 30. I'll give a semicolon. Let me hit execute. Right, so these are the three employees, or these are the three records where the value of E age is less than 30. So Bob, Anne and Jeff, these are the three employees whose age is less than 30. Now similarly, let's say I want to find out all of those employees whose salary is greater than $100,000. So let me write the command for that. So this time the command would be select star from employee where, so the condition would be E salary is greater than 100,000, semicolon, and execute. So Anne, Matt and Jeff are the three employees whose salary is greater than $100,000. So Anne's salary is $125,000, Matt's salary is $159,000 and Jeff's salary is $112,000. So guys, this is how we can filter out records with the where clause. In the next session, we'll learn how to extract records based on more than one condition using the and or not operators. So thanks for attending the session. Let's meet in the next class.